Welcome to Hot Wheels for You.
Hi, and once again, welcome to Hot Wheels for You. The car featured in this video is the Hot Wheels Boulevard Vector W8 Twin Turbo, released by Hot Wheels in 2011. This model features bright red paint, a Vector logo printed windshield, and real rider wheels. The car is mint sealed on an excellent card. This one won't be coming off the blister because this car is rare and is currently selling online from $50 to $100 on an average condition card. The Vector W8 is a sports car that was produced by American automobile manufacturer Vector Aeromotive Corporation from 1989 to 1993. It was designed by company founder and chief designer Gerald Wiegert and refined by Vector's head of engineering, David Kostka. The W8 was the production version of the company's 1980s Vector W2 prototype. The W8 boasted a 6.0 Rodec twin turbocharged V8 engine and a 3-speed General Motors Turbo Hydromatic 425 automatic transmission. This is one automobile that was certainly ahead of its time. That's the Hot Wheels Boulevard Vector W8 Twin Turbo. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels for You.
Thank you for watching Hot Wheels for You.